Check mic. Yan, magandang gabi po. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Because now we talk about stock market, we talk about trading, we talk about making money. Not just in the stock market, but yeah, even all the opportunities out there, right? Forex, crypto, foreign stocks, and even NFTs, right? Me personally, I'm very much focused on NFTs right now. Very hype up for today. It's a Friday evening payday to everyone. I am going to understand kung konti lang manonood sa atin ngayon kasi traffic is there. It's a payday Friday. Everyone should be very excited. So, enjoy your evening. Para sa mga gustong matuto, you are gonna be hanging out with me this evening. Magandang gabi po. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. So please, a little request from my end before we go to our topic. Please share this video, right? Paki-share po ito to your friends, to your relatives. May friends kayo dyan na gusto matuto ng stock market, right? Especially sa trading groups. If you have joined a trading group, please share this there para mga newbies doon, they will know that there's a program like this that will guide them in their stock market journey. Tulungan niyo po ako, right? Hopefully, I've earned this favor from you guys. Tulungan niyo po sa goal natin sa StockSed, goal ni Financial Freedom 101. Ako mismo personally, to help more Filipinos in their start with their stock market journey. Karamihan kasi ng mga Pinoy, they start in the stock market and then napapaso kaagad sa simula pa lang because they don't know what they're doing and they end up quitting. And that's what we don't want to happen, right? So I'm here to guide all the newbies. So if you're newbies and you're watching this evening, this is the right program for you. Welcome to the Daily Grind. And PSEi. Alright, let me share my screen really quick. PSEi. Litan ko lang to ng konti para makita nyo maayos. Right. PSEi closed above 7213. This is the highest we have been since late January. Right? So congratulations for mga nakisabay sa atin sa baba. You should be celebrating right now already. Kaso nga lang, market, yeah, it is hitting higher highs but the volume is still not really that strong. Medyo umaangat na siya compared to previous volume. So that's something good, right? Kind of bullish. Not really bullish na nagra-rocket talaga, lumilipad talaga. But at the very least, market is looking well, di ba? Alright, that's worth celebrating pa rin, right? What's worth celebrating is ito. 1 week na po ako. It's been a week since what do you call this? It's been a week since I started partnership with Axie with you guys. I really want to share the results also, diba? So sharing the results, ito po, right? So this is already the results right now. It's already earning every day. I'm just gonna be sharing to you a screenshot. And so that's these are the axes. There are 16 axes, axis teams already under Satin. Right. I just want to make sure our background music is running. Right. So I have a screenshot right here. I want to share this to you guys. So this is the management tool. We have 16 teams in total already. Right. 16 teams in total. And after 1 week of management, minanage natin yung mga scholars na tinulungan natin magkaroon ng trabaho, we are already earning 63,281, right? After 1 week. I remember it was around the same day last week that I talked to you guys if you want to partner up with for Axie Infinity, right? So, ayan po, right? So, 63,281. Now let's do the math, right? Is this a very good earning considering there are 16 teams already, right, in our hands. So around yung budget natin sa isang team is around 50 to 60,000. Let's put it in the middle, right? So 55,000 times 16, right? So 880,000 pesos, right? So yan yung parang capital natin with for the 16 teams, right? Pwede naman natin tong you can consider this as one lang. Alright, I'll explain that later. But yeah, 880,000 po ang kinita natin after 1 week, right? Now, 880,000 po yung capital natin. Tapos ang kinita natin, nakita nyo sa background is 63,200 for 1 week. So let's divide that to 63,281. 63 divided by 63,281. The answer is 13.9, around 14, di ba? Meaning 14 weeks po para mag-ROI. 14 weeks is around 3 months and 3 months and 2 weeks, di ba? Yeah, sakto. Right. Divided by 4. Divide natin by 4 kasi 4 weeks. Around 3 months, 3.4 or 3 months and a half, right? But considering na these axes are still new, right? If you're into Axie Infinity already, should understand this. These axes are still new. Maliit pa lang ang level nito. I have one Axie team that is already full arena, hindi na siya nag-adventure, hindi na nagpa-practice, kundi PvP na talaga, right? Arena battles na. And this is the scholar right here, 262 and 240. Those are full arena axes already, right? So these two scholars right here, they're able to get me 200. Lagay natin 240 lang. So let's do the math. If ever mag-full arena ng mga lahat ng 16, di ba? So that's 240 SLPs a day, right? Times 240 SLP times 7, right? 7 kasi 7 days a week. So one team can get us 1,680 SLP a week. Times 16 kasi 16 yung teams natin, right? And we will be multiplying this by the price of SLP right now, which is 3.75 times 3.75. So meaning a week we will be earning 100,800 pesos, right? In a week, right? So yung capital natin kanina, which was how much was that? 800 something, 880,000, 880,000 divided by 100,800. So it will take 880, right? 880,000 divided by 100, 800. The answer is 8.7. So in 8.7 weeks, let's put it 9. In just 2 months, if ever maganda lang yung takbo ng pagka-manage niyo ng team, ikaw mismo, if you're playing it and you're good at playing, that means in 8 weeks, and so let's put it 9 weeks. That's 2 months and a week. ROI ka na. The rest, after that, you technically own the Axie already, and income na yan lahat after 2 months. That's the reason why I started Axie. I started partnering up with Axie with you guys, right? Sobrang ganda. As long as it's managed well, right? I have a very strong team that's working with me for managing. When we're doing this already, right? We're earning this, and that's the reason why. Sabi ko sa inyo, maganda mag-start ang Axie noon during that time kasi nagmumurahan ng Axie. SLP prices are already stable, and you want that. That's the reason why I started, and that's the reason why I partnered up with you guys. So if ever you're considering starting Axie, I hope this mathematics will, tawag nito? This mathematics that I showed you entice you, right? So if ever gusto nyo mag-diversify into NFTs, here's the math, right? In around 2, maybe 3 months, mag-ROI na kayo. Right? That's already good, right? And then the rest, kita nyo na yan. Kung kayo maglaro, mas malaki. If ever hindi kayo maglalaro at you will let other players play it, at least may passive income kayo every month, diba? That's already very good, right? For something na for an 800,000 pesos na investment, nagma-monthly ka ng 60,000 pesos, 63,000 pesos, that's already very good, di ba? 63,000 pesos. Yung 63,000 pesos, saan ka makakuha ng ganun? Alright, sige, I'll be transparent with you guys if ever, hindi, wag na. I don't want to go fully transparent para makita nyo pa magkano talaga ang kitaan. But yeah, if for an 880,000, let's say for example, sa 63,000 na ito, 10% lang sa'yo, may 6,000 ka, right? 6,300. An 800,000 worth na investment and you earn 6,000 a month from it, that's already very good. Daig mo pa ang nagpagawa ng apartments, di ba? 800,000 lang, you get 6,000 a month, di ba? So, it's good, right? But yeah, you have to consider na volatile pa rin siya. It can go up. If it goes up, then good. Much better kung nagsimula kayo ngayon. Diba? If it goes down, at the very least, kumikita pa rin. It takes longer for you to be able to go ROI, pero may kita pa rin. Right? Maganda pa rin yan. Kaysa, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, pwede kayo mag-real estate, hinaan ang kita. Dito ang bilis. One moment. Alright, so yun lang yung update ko. If ever naman gusto niyo makipag-partner sa akin with managing Axis, ayun yung sakit sa ulo ng paghahanap ng mga scholars, how to manage them, etc. Looking for Axis, buying Axis, sabihin niyo sa akin, hit me up and in Financial Freedom 101. Usap tayo, right? And I'll arrange something with you para ako na bahala sa iyo, right? Wala na sakit sa ulo, right? So send me a message. Let's go to the comments really quick. I'm not really sure bakit hindi lumalabas ang comments ninyo ngayon sa aking screen. So, mamaya hindi ko na lang i-fix. Hayaan ko na lang muna yan. Well, let me go to the comments. Alan Washalan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Philip Nicoleta, Sir, what's your insights sa EEI? Bakit massive sell? Also, pacheck ba ng CPG mag-accumulation na po ba? Right, let's go charting. Come on. EEI, I'm not really sure bakit. I'll tell you guys, I haven't been following stock market already. Most probably yung earnings is, hindi naman pangit yung earnings niya. 128% for the second quarter. Ngayon nga lang lumabas. First quarter is not even that good. But, massive selling. Still on a downtrend kasi, right? It's on a downtrend. Most probably, maraming bumili dito, nag-stop loss, etc. So the volume's not really that nice, right? Laki ng volume sell-off, I'm not really sure what happened right here. I can't answer you, man. I haven't really been focusing on PSEi lately. Ang finocus ko lately is NFTs, right? Because I'm into Forex. And somehow, yung trading natin sa Forex is automated already. I don't have to go into the PC and trade. It's the bot that's trading for me and it's earning for us. So, I have time to really focus on something else. Ito i-focus natin. Hindi ko pa nabibili yung land. Nagka-delay sa bentahan ng land kasi nag-collapse yung server nila kahapon sa sobrang grabe ng agawan ng land. Right, so, mamayang gabi na naman po ito mabibili. Kaso nga lang, nagka-problema rin si Ethereum Network tsaka si Matic Network. So, medyo, I guess I'm gonna be able to buy this in the next couple of days pa. Pero, yeah, I'm focused into NFTs right now and Forex. Speaking of Forex, mastahin nga natin si Izanagi. Hindi ko nabuksan yung Izanagi ko ngayon. 202%. Ayan na po, umaakit ng yellow line. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo, from the drop right here, 112. Gumaganda na. Once Izanagi closes these positions, pag umabot na yung dalawang yellow na yan, right? Makikita nyo po itong matinding spike na ito. Whenever the yellow drops and then yellow meets red and then the positions are closed, from 111, it ballooned up to 150%. This time, pag nag-close na yan, nangyari na naman yan dito, ngayon, pumula, the yellow's far away, and then nag-meet yung yellow tsaka pula dyan. And once the oppositions are closed, from 175, it rose up to 190. So I'm really excited. Andyan na tayo, malapit na mag-meet yung yellow tsaka pula. So malapit na mag-close ng position si Izanagi and I'm expecting the gains to balloon up already. This is a massive drop. So I guess this is gonna rise up to 220% and yeah, time to dance. Sobrang dami. Sobrang ganda po ng trading natin sa Forex. It's passive income already. This is bot trading, automated trading. I hope nakapagsimula na kayo. If hindi pa, andyan sa video description, yung video about Izanagi and Valkyrie. Hopefully, tignan nyo muna. And then, if you wanna join us, right, andyan rin po yung video description. Andyan rin po yung registration sa video description. CPG, may accumulation na ba? Let's check out CPG. Okay. May resistance kasi CPG dito eh. Supports right here. Short-term support right here for CPG. If ever makabalik dyan yung bilhin or on a breakout right now for CPG. J. Andrew Pragan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Does price of stock equal quality company? Should we buy stocks na mahal like GFC, SM, Ayala, etc. Or are the quality stocks na medyo mura din? How do you define good company? Right. So I have a video about, we call quality companies as fundamentally good companies. All right. I want you to search for fundamentals, Lloyd Bazaar. I'll post this in the comments. Stock forex, how to buy stocks, the bottom. Ito, ano yan, with 2Trade Asia yan. How these Bollinger Bands, price action, cut loss, help. Fundamentals analysis. Right. This one right here. Right. So this is how you know if a company is good. Please watch this video. Hindi tayo magle-lesson yan for tonight kasi medyo mahaba-haba rin yan. But that is how you know if ever a company is good. Now, should you go into those companies, which is the question, ang kagandahan ng mga companies na yon is they are steadily growing, right? We invest in a company because of the growth factor. Ang mga mahal na companies like JFC, mabagal na yung growth factor nila. But it's stable, it's lower risk, it's less volatile, so it's healthier for funds ninyo na gusto ninyo na, let's say, dividends growth, tsaka may konting hinahinay na growth, then that's good. Those companies are good. But if your purpose of your funds is gusto mo yumaman, so you will want to go for stocks na malaki pa ang growth potential, mas exponential pa ang growth potential. And that's the reason why I invited everyone to go into ISM before. If you don't know, ISM is dito before, right? Before naging dito, telecom yan, ISM po yan siya. I told everyone at around 2 pesos, pasukin nyo na. Bumaba pa yan ng piso and I told everyone, bakit nyo pa hindi bibilin yan? Piso na yan. It rise up until 19 pesos. So that's how you get rich, right? So growth factor naman yon. So it really depends on you, right? Kung gusto mo yumaman kaagad, go for companies na you think are good in the future, right? So pwede pong ganun kasi mas exponential yung growth factor niya, mas mabilis po ang tubo ng pera ninyo. But if you want na mas stable, if iba-iba kasi yung purpose ng funds right? Let's say for example, you earned 1 million for this year, but you plan to use that 1 million in the future, so importante pa yung pera na yan, I would recommend put them in good companies like BDO, SMPH, right? Mas maganda doon ilagay kasi mas mabagal yung growth niya, pero at the very least, meron kayong security that these companies are going to be doing well down the road. Okay? So that's the answer, J. Pragan. Mike Eugenio, good evening. Wilbert Santos, hello Sir Lloyd, good evening. Pacheck po si Luna, USDT. Crypto tayo, Luna, USDT. Let me just load my chart layout really quick, okay? And balikan natin si Luna, USDT. Luna, USDT. Right, so Luna USDT broke MA20. So, pumupula siya ngayon. Medyo nakalipad na itong asset na ito I will stay away from it if I were you. Very strong support at 23. Hopefully, bigyan kayo ng position at 23. If not, then I'm not gonna be trading this. Simple as that. Mira Tony, thanks Sir Lloyd. I was able to invest sa Axie kahit di ako marunong maglaro. Alright. Yeah, Mira Tony is one of our partners right now. The Axies are doing well. I owe you guys a report this weekend. So, bukas magre-report ako sa inyo. Magkano yung takbo na Axie natin. Pati sa Ember Sword, salamat. You're welcome. Hindi ko pa nabibili yung lupa natin sa Ember Sword because of na-extend nila. Dapat kagabi to. Pero na-extend nila, nag-crash yung server nila. Nag-agawan napuno yung servers nila. Right. Out of 3 Axies worth, 2 Axies pa lang nababawi ko. This is I forgot your name. You messaged me earlier. Naka-Korean kasi yung pangalan nyo, pre. So, out of 3 Axies worth, 2 Axies pa lang nababawi ko. Kailan ka nagsimula, pre? When did you start? And, yeah. The problem was, marami kasing nagsimula ng Axie. SLP, I'm gonna be looking at SLP because ito yung kitaan sa Axie. Right. Marami kasi nagsimula kay Axie dito sa taas, dito. The tendency is, mas mahirap nyo mababawi ang Axie ninyo mag-ROI because you started at the wrong point. Hindi naman sa wrong point, right? It's just like pababa lang yung SLP noon. And that's the reason why I told you guys, antayin nyo. And we're here now, we are looking at a good reversal of SLP USDT. This is where we started, right? And it's now looking well. Mas mabilis mas mabilis na maka-ROI ngayon kasi nagmumurahan ang mga axes, right, at this level. Okay? So, yeah. Let me know when ka nagsimula. Gigi Mijares, good evening, Sir Lord. Good evening po. Al Kisto, good evening. James Aguila, paano, sir, yung late na nakapanood? What do you mean, paano, sir, yung late na ako nakapanood? From Jimson Aquila. I'm not really sure what you mean by kung paano, sir, yung late na ako nakapanood. Can you please expound on this? I wanna read this comment. Ano ibig mo sabihin, Jimson? Alan, Washalan, Converge po, pa-check. Let's check out Converge. CNVRG still is on a downtrend for me. I will stay away from Converge for now. From Alan. Angelo Bongato, Sir Lord, can you give insights on Monday and Converge? Converge is still on a downtrend. I will not be trading that just yet. Maybe gagawa yan ng support anytime soon, but for me, also Monday on a downtrend. When it broke MA20, this is why I use MA20 a lot. Usually, pag nagbe-break ang MA20, it changes the direction of the trend. Here, nag-recover naman kaagad. Here, nag-sustain. And when MA20 sustained, nagtuloy yung trend niya. Here, it broke MA20 and the trend changed. It's still on a downtrend, closing below Bollinger Bands on the bottom side. So, that's massive downfall pa. May momentum pa rin sa baba. So, I will stay away from that for now. Jimson Aquila, gusto ko yan. Philip Nicoleta, hindi pa ako umabot sa Ember Sword. Pwede po ba makiteam up sa Axie ninyo? Yeah. Hit me up. Send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Ako na bahala mag-manage lahat. Alright, I have a very strong team. Ako na bahala, basta. Send me a message sa Financial Freedom. Wag dito sa StockSed ha. Kasi StockSed, hindi lang ako ang dito. Sa Financial Freedom 101 po yung page ko. Right? Raul Tomale, good evening, Sir Lord. Good evening. Rebecca Tangan, hello, Sir Lord. Any insights on ASEN? Let's check out ASEN. ASEN broke MA20 and stay away from it. Right? Tapos na ang maligang araw ni ASEN. Let's see saan siya pupulutin. Saka natin sakyan ulit si ASEN. But for now, it's already expensive. Paul Limentera, good evening, Sir Lord. RLC po. And pwede po ba maglagay ulit kay M-Wide? I also sent message po sa page niyo for Axie. Alright, so Paul, alright, I'll check it out later. Na-busy ako today. I went to the bank para po sa land sale na ito. Right? And then my daughter was here. So I spent time with her. So hindi ko nakasagot talaga sa page ko. And anyway, again, right? Ano kasi, we were managing the Axie players earlier, talking to them kasi lag time kanina because nag-update si Axie Infinity. So hindi nakalaro yung mga players. So it was a good time to talk to them, motivate them to earn more, to grind more, be better players. So yeah. RLC. Supports right here. Pumupula pa tayo ngayon. Let's see if ever we can enter here. I would say budagahin nyo to. Next green. And kung bumaba pa, you just buy some more for RLC. Okay? Next for RLC. Sagutin kita mamaya, Paul. Right? Norman. Sana all sinasagot. Norman Magat. GFC, MWC, and SMPH. Coach, please, thanks. You're welcome. Let's check out JLC. No, JFC, not JLC. JFC, alright, nag-doji na tayo. So that's somehow a weakness signal. Baka mag-sell signal na tayo anytime soon for JFC. Take profits, take some of the profits, man. Pero wag lahat kasi baka magtuloy-tuloy pa yung uptrend yan. Alright, MWC, this is from Norman. MWC, sell. That's a sell signal right there. So benta nyo na. SMPH, congratulations. SMPH still has the good momentum. Hopefully, nakapasok kayo noon pa. Yan yun, may mga bilog dyan sa baba. That means I told you to buy it right there. Budigahin nyo pag maraming bilog yan. Pulling back right now. Wait for it to pull back and next bounce na lang for SMPH before you wanna get in. Just wanna erase my recent drawings. Right? SMPH, pull back and bounce. Mitzi Gonzalez, kamusta? Been following you, sir, since 2018. Attended your seminar here in Seda, Davao. Wondered, sir, why you preferred SMPH from Ali. Why I preferred SMPH from Ali? Kasi nakikita ko mas maraming mall si SMPH. Right? Ali is good also. Right? Ali is also good. I just preferred SMPH because mas pangmasa siya. Mas marami siyang mall for me compared to Ayala. But Ayala, nonetheless, Ayala is still good. Especially nung mababa pa si Ayala ang presyo. I did call to buy Ayala and ang lakas na ng kita ni Ayala. Yun lang, nasa SMPH na ako. I'm already diversified into real estate through SMPH and I just stuck to SMPH na lang. Right? Pwede naman mag-diversify din to Ayala. There's no problem with it. Wala naman, hindi naman ibig sabihin na mas maganda si SMPH or mas maganda si Ayala. I just think that SMPH has been expanding more on the mall side. Mas aggressive yan kay Ali. Ali naman is more into the condominiums, real estate, ganun. Which is good pa rin. It's not a problem. um, let me go to YouTube. Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Right, Vincent Pascual, good evening. Noro TV, ayong gabi, Sir Lloyd, magandang gabi. Ellis Ray, good PM, Sir Lloyd. DD and JFC po. Please, let's check out DD. Tapos na tayo kay JFC. Double Dragon, right there. Support is good. Right, if you want to trade this, the support is at 10.04. Buy that. Right, accumulate nyo yan. Pataas na yung RSI natin. This is looking well. Right? DD. Cut loss lang below that just in case mali tayo. Right? DD and then Noro TV, Meg, Seb, IMI, please sir, thanks. Right? Si Mega World, medyo nakalipad na to si Meg eh. Right? So I cannot recommend buy for Meg anymore. Maybe at around MA20 kung bigyan kayo ng opportunity. If hindi, just leave it alone. Simple as that. Huwag niyong pilitin i-trade kung hindi kayo bigyan ng magandang position. IMI, Seb and IMI. Yeah, Seb. We called Seb to buy right here. Ganda nung divergence dito ni Seb, oh. And then, lumipad na si Seb. Pullback and bounce will be your next entry for Seb. Sino yung last? IMI. Alright, IMI. IMI nag-breakout. The volume's good, I would say. Yeah, pero mukhang magpo-pullback to. Pullback and bounce for IMI. Mas maganda yung ganon. Nakakainis naman itong mga ano na to, yung mga spammers na ito. Put user in timeout. Let me just report this guy. Right, so he's already out. Pasensya na, may nagsaspam sa YouTube eh. I don't want that happening. Disturbo. Grabe. Good evening, YouTube muna ako. Sabi ni Japoy Belano. Good evening, man. Pornography. Right. Okay, so Nerf, good evening, Sir Lloyd, and to all ka-daily grinders. Josie M, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po sana ni M-Wide kasi may news po kasi time po to sell po ba? May news ba kay M-Wide? I'm not really sure. Yeah, grabe yung drop ni M-Wide. Hopefully na-sell niyo na yung positions niya. Grabe gap down kanina. Not really sure what happened. But that was already very... Ito, clarification news, not your own transactions. Let me just see if we can open this one up. Right. So, balikan natin yan mamaya. Edna, sir, I'm also on who had 200+% gains from ISM to dito. Was so happy about it. And I'm also newbie through watching you. I learned a lot. So, thank you for teaching us. Congratulations, Edna. Grabe yung ano natin kay ISM before. Right? Sobra. Umabot na 19 peso yung trade natin na yun. So, congratulations, Edna. Right? Moving forward, good evening, Nasdaq po, sir. Nasdaq is looking well. Dice, hingi lang ako ng confirmation if pwede maging aggressive kay Seb. Thanks. Dapat noon pa. Right? Nung buy signals kay Seb and then initial pullback and then there it is. Not right now. It's not good to go aggressive in Seb. Pullback and bounce lang. Especially that ang dami ng good news ha. Mandawi, dito sa city namin ngayon, 0 cases went in sa COVID ngayon sa Mandawi. So I'm very happy. So I guess, yeah, pullbacks lang and bounce. If you want to go aggressive in something, always go for pullbacks and bounce. Congratulations once again, Edna. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung ganon. Right? Basahin yung mga ganito. 200% plus gains from ISM to dito. Galing. Alright, DICE and meron pa pala, Ian Cesar Villaruel. Let's check out the news first. Blah 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 blah. Clarification: DOJ and Dyke 16 on anti-dummy law wraps. We write with respect to the request clarification regarding Article DOJ and Dyke 16 anti-dummy law. Manila, Philippine, blah blah blah. Former General Manager of Mactan Cebu International Airport. Sila M-Wide kasi gumawa ng airport doon. 15 executives of airport concessionaire violation anti-dummy law. Paano? Dawit dito ang ng M-Wide. Malas pre. Sayang, ganda na sana. Right? Pero, I don't know. Pero former, I wanna research more about this. Pero dawit yung MY, baka bumagsak sila nito. Hopefully nakapag-take profits na kayo ha. Sayang naman. Ang ganda na sana ng position. Right? That's bad. That's sad. Anyways, it happens in stocks. CNPF, Seb is okay already. I mean, pull back and bounce. CNPF. Right, CNPF, okay, bullish yung stick kanina ni CNPF right? Tawag nito? 4.84% earlier. That's a bullish signal right there. Pull back and bounce, that's gonna be your confirmation. Let it pull back and bounce lang muna. Yan. Right, ICT. Right, ICT. Okay rin, bullish, what do you call this? That's a bullish signal right there. Pull back and bounce. If you wanna trade this for long term, medyo aggressive to but at least may support tayo if you wanna trade that. Pull back and bounce for ICT. Right, Sir Lloyd, good evening po. This is from Carlos Apostol. Magandang gabi. Ciao CM, may nag-file ng case sa M-Wide po kasi, nabasa natin kanina. Let me just put user in timeout. Let me hide him para hindi na lumabas yung mga messages niya. Right, so nabasa natin lahat ng comments on YouTube. Let me go back to Facebook. Right, Janer Dianyo, sir, saan mababasa ang ibang offers mo for partnership po to know details? Right, dito ko lang sinasabi sa sa Financial Freedom 101 I mean sa live natin. Right, first of all, ganito this is, wag niyong tutularan. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't post about it that much because medyo off the grid tayo kay BIR. Right? To be honest with you guys, NFTs, yan yung susunod na target ni BIR. They know that a lot of Filipinos are earning through NFTs already and nakakalusot yung taxes niyan. So I'm as much as possible walang paper trail, walang post, etc. Right? So just send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. We can talk, man. Hirap mag-comment dito, nakaka-message sa amin ang mga scammers. O nga basta malalaman nyo naman, hindi ako hihingi ng Bitcoin kasi sabihin ko sa inyo na I will return it 3 times kung magbibigay yan ng Bitcoin. No, it doesn't work like that, right? So, okay maniniwala sa kanyan. FBI po, STFNI, sabi ni Philip Nicoleta. Naalala ko tuloy si Sir Marcoleta, tatakbo na senator. FNI, right? FNI, there it is. We called FNI for a buy yesterday, right? With the divergence, lumipad si FNI ngayon, just 3.81. That's still good right there, man. Good find. Hopefully, pinasok nyo kanina. We did call FNI for a buy already yesterday. So, okay konti lang comments natin ngayon. Again, I'm not expecting so much na, what do you call this? I'm not expecting a lot of comments from everyone. Let me just do this really quick. A power mirror. Kasi sira yung sira yung my FX book ko dun sa public account ko na sinishare ko talaga sa inyo yung results. Alright, so mirror to PC. Start now. So now I'm mirroring my phone, right? So this is MetaTrader. This is where you can see your trades sa, what do you call this? Sa bot trading. So this account, ito yung Izanagi na may $500. The Izanagi account is already up $584. Almost 20% na. And this account just started July, right? July lang nag-start ang account na ito. Almost 20% gains already. This is from a $500 account. Yung equity natin is already at 810. This is, hindi pa nako-close yung mga trades, but doing well. Kahapon, the previous days, naka-negative 190% to. Ngayon, negative 21 na lang. Diba? So, the positions are already starting to look up, and this should close in a very good spot. Si Valkyrie naman natin, I'm gonna transfer to my Valkyrie account. Log in, sign in. So, our Valkyrie account is at $584. Right? $584, I mean, $548. No, 558. Yeah, nag-update na. $558. More than 10% already. More than 11% even. Right? 11% is the $55. So, Valkyrie. Yun yung si Valkyrie. Right? Yun yung Valkyrie natin. This bot is mas lesser yung risk niya. But, the lesser the risk kasi, the lesser than yung, what do you call this? Yung possible na returns niya. In Izanagi, we're able to reach these numbers because of this drawdown right here. If you can take $42, 42% na risk, negative 42%. If you can take that, then you deserve this, right? So the higher the risk settings you have, the bigger the result. And mind you, hindi naman po ibig sabihin na nag 200% tayo in 10 months. Ganun din ang result in the future, right? Past results po do not indicate the results in the future. It's just that hopefully nakasibay kayo sa akin. Sino nag-Izanagi dyan? Maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe a month ago already. Let me know your returns already. Post it in the comments, man. Para ma-invite naman natin yung iba dyan na hindi pa nag-Izanagi. This bot is for free. Wala kang babayaran yan, kundi yung computer lang na magta-trade every month, which is just 500 pesos. Ishi Marimat, magandang gabi. Ayan, na-late si Ishi. Norman Magat, MWC. Alam ko bakit late si Ishi. Sweldo kasi. MWC. Let's check out MWC. Ow, sakit sa tenga. Sakit sa tenga, pero okay lang yon. 6% Izanagi for 3 weeks. Congratulations, Junior Aquino. Thank you so much for the 50 stars, man. Sakit sa tenga nun, pero may 50 stars eh. Okay na yun. Okay lang. Kahit na mabingi ako. 50 stars din yan. MWC, that's a sell signal right there. Stay away from it. Maximo Senyagan. Good evening, sir. Maximo, bularan yun. Nasa isipan ko eh. Right, asan na yun? Tech, hindi pa tumataas. Sir, ano kayo news kay Tech? Hindi pa rin tumataas. It's just, yun yung problema. Walang news kaya hindi pa tumataas. But RSI is looking well. Binobodega na siya. Right? So, if you want to trade this, pwede nyo sabayan yung nagbobodega. Buy right here on this support and then hopefully let's go up. Just cut loss below that if ever. Sir Lloyd, sell na po ba kay SMPH at MER? It depends. It depends, right? I would say pag pumula yan, that's gonna be your sell signal for SMPH. MER naman, kamusta si MER? MER just broke out, man. So, pero walang volume. So baka pumula to. But that's still bullish right there. I would say okay pa to si MER. If ever malaki nakita mo, man, if ever makakita ka ng pula, mag-fail yung breakout, sell some of it. Yan po. Zorlak. Knight. Carlos, right? Carlos D. Knight. Sir, good evening po. Tanong lang po about preferred shares. Anytime po ba pwede din i-sell? Example po, CMWID 4. Yeah, pwede naman po i-sell yan yung preferred shares ninyo. Pero may kamahalan din yan. Jenner Dianyo, Sir, PNB po. Sir, PNB. Let's check out PNB. Right, PNB pulling back right now, right? MA20 is gonna be your best entry, but definitely sa susunod naman, ayan yung bounce, kanina within the day. Baka dito na yun mag-start yung bounce niya bukas kasi yun yung bounce kanina. That's a problem with volatile stocks already. Ang mahirap na siyang saluin if ever hindi niyo mahuhuli within the day. So this was the bounce already earlier. I would say yes, that's already a buy right there. Paul Jimentera, 3% po, 3 weeks. Alright, good. Congratulations po sa Izanagi ninyo. Dave Viola, salamat po Sir Lloyd. Pasok na po ba kay EEI, Sir? EEI? Naka na sell off eh. Maganda na may earnings niya. Pero sustaining yung support. RSI is looking good. I would say, patapusin lang muna natin tong downtrend line na to. I would say, mas maganda if ever mag-breakout muna from that resistance right there. Miratoni, 5.6% gains sa Izanagi. Mag 1 month na ako tomorrow. Congratulations. Siguro 5% yan because you had lesser na risk settings, di ba? Kasi itong account na ito, naka 50% to na settings. Right? Mas malaki, mas malaki yung risk drawdown ninyo. Mas malaki yung earnings ninyo. If you set it at 25%, Okay pa rin naman, right? Okay pa rin yan. It really depends up to you kung magkano kaya niya risk appetite. But 6%, 5.6% gains in 1 month, it's still amazing, right? Natalo nyo na sa Pag-ibig MP2 in just 1 month kaysa linagay nyo kay Pag-ibig MP2 or kahit linagay nyo lang sa bangko at natulog sa bangko, di ba? 6% in 1 month is still amazing. Congratulations, Miratoni. B-Boss, Mark, Og, EW, Pasilip, salamat. This is from PJ, Tahan-Tahan. Let's check out Mark Ventures. No, not there. Here. Mark. Si Mark. Divergence pa rin si Mark Okay pa rin si Mark. So far, so good sustaining. Short-term trade, right? 0.85 yung major support natin. If ever it breaks that major support, then cut loss lang. Pero looking good si Mark. EW, that's a sell signal right there, man. So let it pull back and bounce before you want to enter EW. Look at this beautiful divergences right here. Napakaganda ng RSI niya, pinapakita. Sideways ang RSI kahit mong presyo is pababa. That's bullish, that's hidden bullish divergence right there. So, congratulations, pumasok kay East-West. That's a big gain. May sell signal tayo. Pull back lang and bounce before you want to get in. Let me go back to YouTube. Time check, it's 8:44. Konti lang comments natin. So, that's okay. That's okay. Kasi, yun nga, Friday payday ngayon. I guess everyone's enjoying their evening. Joke at good evening. My HFTV, sir, kakasimula ko lang 3 weeks ago kay Izanagi, $37 up. Magkano yung initial investment mo, my HNFTV? Right? Let me know. Right? Let me know on the comment. Magandang gabi. Yeah, Izanagi has been doing well for us. My other Izanagi account, gumawa ako ng Izanagi na micro. Right here. Izanagi. Ito. This is my micro account for Izanagi. I'm keeping this public also. This started July 9, August, September, October. So, 3 months, 47%. Right? Malaki rin ang drawdown nito. Right? Na settings. But 47.22. Galing. Right? So, in just 3 months, I already reached almost 50%. Hindi nga to updated eh. Right? October 8 ang last update nito. If ever nag-update lang to sa recent ngayon, mas mataas pa to. I'm not really sure why it's not updating. But yeah. Izanagi's been doing well. Also, si Valkyrie. Mas low-key si Valkyrie, pero mas maganda yung, mas low risk siya. At mas sure yung trades ni Valkyrie. Mas sure yung gains. Hindi kasi ganong high risk trade for Valkyrie. So, check out Valkyrie also. If you want this is passive income po. Right? Simula lang ito, masakit sa ulo kasi gagawa ka ng account, sa Forex, lalagyan po mo ng funds, etc. Gawa ka ng Union Bank para hindi masakit ang ulo nyo for these kinds of investments. Open a Union Bank account. Sobrang ganda, right? And then, once the setup na, yung monthly payment na lang, pwede nyong isahin na lang one time for how many months already. Gusto nyo monthly, okay lang, walang problema. 500 a month na yung VPS. That's for the computer that's gonna trade for you a month. But it is passive income, my friends. Passive income po yan. Wala na kayong ginagawa. Wala na akong ginagawa dyan. And that's the reason why I'm telling you na I can do something else because my day trading bot is doing so good. Right? My trading bot is doing so good. Hindi ko na kailangan bantayan. Agree, sir, sakit lang sa ulo pag di mo kabisado ang system. Okay lang. Sa simula lang yan. Sir, nagpapakopy ka pa rin ba sa eToro? Yes, nagpapakopy pa rin ako. Pero I haven't been focusing on eToro nung bumagsak ang Nasdaq. You mean yung nag-topish sa Nasdaq. During that time, I focused on NFTs and what do you call this? And Forex with the bot. So, if you're asking me kung maganda ba ako kopyahin sa eToro, I will say no. Right? Just go to Izanagi. Diyan po binuhos ang oras ko at saka puso namin ngayon kay Izanagi at saka kay Valkyrie. At saka sa NFTs. Right? So, kung gusto niyo ako sabayan sa investments ko, Izanagi is for free. It's for everyone. Right? Regalo namin yan sa inyo. Congratulations sa mga may Izanagi already. Right, $500, right? And already 3 weeks, 37. So, almost 10% up already. Dito po, sir, TY. Let's check out dito. This is from Small Kids, Blanco. Right, almost reaching support levels already. Pag nag-green yan si dito, that's already a buy. Sir, tapos na ba si Monde? Balikan natin si Monde. Downtrend, stay away from it. MPI and FLI. Ito maganda. This is from JR Bonifacio. Si MPI. Medyo nakalipad rin to eh. We talked about MPI before. Pull back and bounce na lang before you wanna enter MPI, FLI, PhilInvest. This is the support of PhilInvest. I told you, pasokin nyo dyan. And hopefully nakapasok kayo for FLI at that level. We're hitting resistance level, so it's not a buy anymore. Maybe kung mag-breakout. Jokat, pasilip link at Axis. Grabe Axis, ang mahal eh. Axis USDT. Right. So, nagsa-sideways na si Axis. Lower highs. Showing lower highs. So, hopefully, magmura pa. Kasi magbe-breed ako ng Axis in the coming days. I want Axis prices to drop talaga. And it's already showing bearish signals. Link, USDT. Chain link right here. Resistance, pero bullish po. So, if it breaks out, that's gonna be your trading point. That is for YouTube. I guess I'm done with YouTube. Tapos na yung comments natin. Right. Junior, agree. Yeah. Mabait naman ang admin to assist on XM and Izanagi. Yes. Mga partners natin yan si Izanagi. Rolena Gamayon, how to start investing in Izanagi. Thank you po. Punta kayo sa video description. Meron po diyang video for Izanagi. And merong registration link dyan for Izanagi. If you already know about Izanagi, pwede kayo dumiretso sa registration. Andyan sa video description once again. Just click on it. Andyan yung instructions lahat. Dave Yola, Sir Seb at SLI. Salamat, Sir Seb. Let it pull back lang muna before you wanna get in. SLI, Santa Lucia. Right. SLI, resistance, breakout with volume. Pa-breakout din natin. Magkano ba yung second quarter earnings? Maganda yung second quarter earnings din. That might propel SLI to breakout. So, abangan mo yung breakout, pre. Rolena Gamayan, you're welcome. Alright, so, Sir FB and Amazon, thanks. This is from Nancy Catilo. I cannot miss Nancy. So, kailangan kong daanin si Nancy. I was gonna close the program already. But yeah, si Nancy yan eh. Let it break out. Mas magandang confirmation for San Miguel yan. Pero I think you're referring to Facebook, which I already called a buy before. Right here. Divergence tayo dyan. That is a buy for Facebook. That's a buy. Right? And ang technique nyo dito is, if it goes further down, just keep buying more. FB is a very good it's a very good company. Amazon, AMZN. Musta ba si Amazon? Ito si Amazon. Sideways, right? Pero may downtrend line dito. We're showing good signs of breakouts. Pag nag-breakout si Amazon from that descending triangle, that's gonna be your entry point for Amazon. Salamat, sir. Happy weekend na. Oo. I want you guys to enjoy your weekend. It's been a very enjoyable week for me. Medyo busy, pero sobrang saya. Ito yung kinabisiyan ko ngayon, si Axis. Marami tayong natulungan sa Axie. And we are already earning. And if ever gusto niyo po magsimula ng Axie, but ayaw niyo sakit ng ulo, you can partner up with me. Ako na bahala mag-manage ng mga scholars, hanap ng Axie, etc. All the transactions, etc. Passive income na lang clean sa inyo. Ako na magre-report sa inyo. Makikita niyo naman to dito. Update ako lagi. That's, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Bots for free, si Izanagi. Just a video description. Don't forget about it. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, you enjoy the rest of the weekend. Pinaka-importante po is please stay safe, right? Please stay safe po. Hopefully, nakapag-vaccine na lahat. Right? Spend time with your family. Right? God bless everyone. See you next week. Let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.